last time you were adjusted?
It's been a year.
How often were you adjusted?
I just got it done the first time. I'm not a regular.
Okay. And you enjoyed it the first time?
Oh my God, that's so good.
So you saw it, because you looked over here like, I would have been over here if I would have known.
Oh yeah.
Come on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? So go ahead and lay on your stomach. Head here, feet down there. Here we go. You take one? Lower back. Okay, this is an activator. It sounds like that, but it feels like that. Okay. With a straight leg, lift this leg up on the table. All right, good. And then back down. And then the other one. There's one more different than the other. All right. Here we go. Are about the same. Alright, this leg. Excellent, and then the other one. Much better. Alright, first things first. Then check out your leg. If you have a short left leg, we're about to straighten that out. Go ahead and lay on this side, facing the gym. I'm going to pull this arm up. Soft touch. Ready to sleep? And back up just like that. Alright, so what's going to happen is I'm going to push this leg down. Everybody's going to just let it go. Good job. Take a deep breath in. Got you. All right, flip on the other side.
I really was just thinking that before you did it. I was like, is she gonna do it?
Mm-hmm. That's it. There we go. Deep breath in. Let it go. Perfect. Now lay on the stomach. You're going to feel some downward pressure, okay? Alright, deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Don't push. Deep breath in again. Relax it. And out. Let it go. Say what?
That feels amazing.
And go. A little bit of pressure, okay? Deep breath in. And out. Up and other side, just like that. There we go. Beautiful. Doing good. How long have you been working at this gym?
A year.
Yeah.
I love it here.
I really like this location a lot. Practice here. Good job.
I think it's way better than the other location.
Hmm? Drop the shoulder. Get it.
was trying to let that one go.
That was good. Pretty good.
That was tight.
Mm-hmm.
I've never cracked my finger like I've never cracked my finger. I just wondered how people got the cracks on camera. I was like, damn, they're cracking loud.
Oh yeah, that'd be like crackling out. You weren't done yet. You want to sit up? Come on. Put your phone just right there. Sure. Sit up straight. Let's see. That was good. That was really good. All right. Interlace your fingers behind you. Right here, okay?
Okay.
And you can call on me. We're going to do a little bit of pull where it pulls on this, all right?
Okay.
Follow me. All right, deep breath in, good stretch. All the way down. All the way down. Let everything go. Look up for And last but not least, we're going to get your ears, okay?
Okay.
You ever had your ears adjusted before?
No, this will be the first.
So, just gonna contact your ear, okay? And then ask you to start with your follow me. It's just gonna be like kind of like nervous. Should I follow me? How you feeling?
Good.
You are completely done. Go ahead and stand up, walk around, and see what we got. You said, oh, that will be Phil Alex.
I did.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, just like and subscribe. Atlanta's Mobile Chiropractor. Until next time.
Bye.